Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change opacity in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to change the opacity of this video. First of all, we need to click on our video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active, and we can go to the video section and select the basic to access the basic editing tools in CapCut. And here we can scroll down until we find the blend option. Click on that, and then below the blend option you will see the opacity, and here you'll be able to change the opacity of your video. If you want to make it more transparent, you can go left like this. Okay, you just need to use this slider to customize the opacity of your video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change opacity on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.